Yeah, ako nga, galing ka nga pa na ng Jensen Marami.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Going back to the robot na naman, nakita ko na naman yung sinabi, dapat hindi. Well, being a robot kasi and being a leader, pare. When we say na magiging robot ka, I'm not saying naman na dapat emotionless ka. I shouldn't be emotional. But I should always acknowledge other people's emotion. Pag naging emotional kasi ang leader, pare, kunyari, may nagsabi na mayroong tao mo, nagsabi na, ayoko na dito, ang hirap naman. If I were emotional and hindi ako robot, I would take that as a negative thing na, di umalis ka. Yun yung emotional na rebut mo or your reaction to something that... Pero if hindi ka, sabi ko nga, para kang robot, dapat emotionless ka. If you hear that, okay, he's not happy. Why? Is his salary okay? Am I providing enough for him? Is there something hard dun sa trabaho niya? So lalapit ka. Pag emotional